Hi friends, welcome to my channel Magical Excel. In first video, we have understood what is Excel and how we can use Excel to complete our task. In this video, we will create a dataset from scratch. Here you can see I have a blank sheet and here I will create a database for Student Marksheet. So let's start from the beginning. First, what you need to create database? We need a heading which can attract users' attention. So to create a heading, select the cell where you want to put your heading and under Home tab, you can see you get option Merge and Center. When you click on Merge and Center, all the cells here will be merged and here you can type your title. Here I will put title as Students Marksheet. Next part is to design it. So I will put automatic border from here and fill some colors. Here you can see the title has been created. Now in student marksheet, we want to enter name. So first column I will assign as a heading name and then class and then roll number and then total marks and then obtained marks. Here you can see that some of the data has gone beyond this column width. To adjust it, select entire sheet and press Alt-H-O-I from your keyboard. You can see that column width is adjusted. This is one of the important shortcuts which you will use while working in Excel sheet. So I want to decorate it. So for that I will put borders from all sides. Here you can see that it is looking a bit attractive to the users. Here I will start entering details. So you can do it manually also, but it will be a time taking process. So in that case, what we will do, we will just select this header and press Alt D and O key from your keyboard. When you will press Alt D and O key from your keyboard, you can see data entry form is generated. Here you can enter details very quickly. You can use tab key to jump to the next cell. This will save your time. Here I will specify total marks is 500 and obtained marks is 320. Like that, when you will hit enter, it will ask you to enter new detail. This will save your time and you can be more productive while using Excel sheet. When you will hit enter, it will add you to enter next record. Here you can see you will get some option to enter record, to find previous, to find next, and criteria. Like this, you can see we have created some data over here. If you want, you can make it more attractive. You can use border. You can make color theme here. It will look more attractive. If you want, you can obtain percentage. So here you can see when I typed percentage, it automatically adjusted the format, but it has not taken the border. So for that we will use format painter option. To use format painter option, select cell and press format painter, and wherever you want you can copy it here. You can see it has automatically copied the formatting which we have created here. Now to obtain percentage, you have to apply formula of percentage. So percentage is obtained when you divide obtained marks by total marks. When you will apply this formula, you can see the percentage value is obtained, but it has not taken percentage sign because now its formatting is general. When you will change it to percentage under home tab, it will automatically take percentage sign. Here you can see that the percentage is obtained for first row. Now I want to copy this formula to next row. For that, just double click here. You can see that autofill option is enabled and Excel has automatically copied the formula to next cell. Like that, there are so many tricks which help you to save time while working in Excel sheet. If you like this video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.